Exercise 10-1. 1. After a much delayed sale closing, the parties are waiting only for the proration of all of the expenses associated with the property, an apartment building. The seller, anxious to complete the sale, phones the escrow agent, telling the person handling the transaction to just charge all expenses for this month to me, to expedite things. Can the agent do so? Why? No, unless both parties agree in writing to any changes in escrow instructions. The escrow agent is bound by the latest written instructions only. 2. Tom Takahashi handles escrows for Sunny Acres Title Insurance Company. Tom receives signed escrow instructions from the seller and buyer of a tract of vacant land in Sunny Acres Heights. The day before closing, Tom learns that the property has suffered severe mudslide damage. Should Tom do anything with that information? Tom should immediately inform both seller and buyer of what he has learned, as the mudslide damage could have a serious impact on any potential use of the land. Exercise 10-3. State the form of title protection that has each of the following characteristics. 1. Statement of ownership of property, using the title company's own records. Certificate of title. 2. Statement of ownership of property, backed by the title company's guarantee. Guarantee of title. 3. Title insurance excluding water rights. CLTA standard policy of title insurance. 4. Title insurance including water rights. ALTA extended coverage policy of title insurance. 5. Complete documentation of all recorded rights and claims of property ownership. Abstract of title. 6. Title insurance excluding changes in land use brought about by zoning ordinances, with or without recorded notice. CLTA standard policy of title insurance. Review questions. 1. To create an escrow, there must be a binding contract. 2. Escrow instructions can be changed only by written agreement of both parties. 3. The escrow holder acts in the capacity of the surety. 4. Which must be licensed as escrow agents to perform such services. D. Escrow companies. 5. In Southern California, escrows are most often held by B. Escrow companies. 6. By law a licensed escrow agent must be a corporation. 7. A real estate broker can serve as an escrow, when she represents one of the parties to the transaction. 8. The legal action that may be brought by an escrow holder is B. Interpleader. 9. Providing a copy of any buyer-broker agreement is the responsibility of A. The buyer. 10. Providing tenant information is the responsibility of B. The seller. 11. Prorations at closing on amounts other than interest payments usually are based on a 30-day month. 12. If closing is on May 19th, what amount will be charged to the buyers on a total property tax of $4,320 paid by the sellers for the current tax year? Remember to use the standard number of days in the month. B. $504. 13. Closing is on June 15th, and rent of $2,400 has been prepaid for the current month. What amount will the seller be debited at closing if the buyer receives credit for the day of closing? A. $1,280. 14. A buyer's settlement statement includes loan origination fees. 15. The most thorough method of title check results in an abstract of title. 16. A title plan consists of B. A title company's lot books and general indexes. 17. Title insurance is paid as of the day of closing. 18. Title insurance protects a buyer against B. All claims except those excluded by the policy. 19. Water rights are excluded from coverage in a standard policy of title insurance. 20. Lender's title insurance typically is paid by the buyer. This is the end of Unit 10 Escrow and Title Insurance.